Hello programmers, welcome back to Smart Magic Tech Study. In this video, we are learning factorial of a number. So what is factorial and how do we do program in Java? So before starting this video, if you are new, hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to comment if you have any doubts. So without wasting our time, so let's get it into the concept. So let's see what is a factorial. Factorial of a non-negative integer is a multiplication of all integers smaller than or equal to n. For example, if you take, so let's see what is the formula. N factorial equal to, so let's see what is the formula. N factorial equal to n factorial into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on minus 1. For example, if you take 4, we have to calculate its previous numbers. So let's see 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is the factorial of 4. Factorial you have to consider 6. So previous of its number multiplication of its previous number. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So the sum will be 720. So let's get into the program. How does it work? So I have started my IDE, Eclipse IDE. So it's starting takes time, but you have to stay patient because it will start. This is a perfect IDE to learn Java programming. The IDE will be started and we have to click unique and then we have to choose. So let's get IDE will be started. We have to choose new Java project. The part will be project name as Factorial. Factorial number. Project name it as Factorial number and click on finish. The program will start. We don't need any module, so I click on don't create any module. So our program will come. You have to click on factorial number or right click on factorial number, set new, set class. So in this you have to include public static void main. So name of the class will be factorial. So I'm giving factorial. Okay, let's get finished. We create a class. So there you go. So this is our class name as factorial. This is our main method, public static void main. So I'm creating my program from here. First of all, I'm declaring a number n and the factorial as fact. Okay, so I'm looping a number through to calculate how does it works. For initializing int I equal to 0, I less than less than n. So my n will be, so I need I need 4 factorial. So 4 factorial will be, so I'm going here, I'm writing 4 n equal to 4, just take it one that we can say or another variable that. Okay, n equal to 4, I'm calculating 4 factorial. That means it will result as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 1, 24. So our result will be 24, our output. How does it really works in Java programming? Let's get see into the code. So for I equal to 0, initially we are initializing our I variable will be 0, I less than n. So why n? Because I will be 0, it will consider 0, 1, 2, 3. That means in I it does not go to the 4 because we are starting from 0. So we are implementing I plus plus. So basically you don't know I plus what is I plus plus. I plus plus is nothing but I equal to I plus 1. So simply in order to write in this way also, but better programming practice you have to do I plus plus. So open our bracket. Let us see fact equal to fact into I into I. So how does it the logic will what will be the logic here? So here fact is nothing. So initially fact is I'm going to instance of zero for your better understanding. I'm initializing fact equal to zero. So initially fact has zero into zero, something like zero. So we have to give one for more interesting. So I'm here also initializing one for more better programming practice. So fact one into one will be one. So and then next increments I will be initially fact equal now fact is one. So after a second iteration the loop will I become plus plus so I will be two less than here 4. So condition is true. So here fact is already 1 into 2. The answer will be 2. So next how it iterates, the condition will be implemented here 3. So 3 less than 4. Condition is true. Here we have to write equal to because we are not starting from 0. So 3 less than equal to n. It is true. So 1 into 2, 2 into 3. Here 2 into 3 will become so 2 into 3 equal to 6. So and then again after loop will be incrementing 4. 4 less than equal to 4. So 4 into 6. 4 into 6 equal to 24. So our answer will be 24. 4 factorial is 24. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. So we have to print our answer. So we have to print our answer sys out. What is sys out? In Eclipse, we just sys out, we enter sys out and then control plus space. It will turn a system.out println. That is print statement. So here you want to enter fact. So I'm going to run this program by clicking on run button. Run factorial.java. Yeah. Exist help part for so some error. We have to declare syntax errors, some syntax errors. We have to capitalize fact. So again, there is no error. Right now. Oh, here I have to do capital fact, capital F. So again, I'm running. So what's happening? Yeah, our output will be true. We got our output 24. So I'm now checking another number. So say 5. So here how it is will be happen 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So output will be 120. So the output will we have to acquire output 120. So I'm doing run. I'm running my program. How is it? We have also run. So thank go 120 scan. So I'm taking this program in another more formalistic way. So user input. If you are user, you may enter 5, 6, 7. What you like, you have to what you like, you will enter. So how does it happen? We have to import here uh, util package. In this Java program, we have to enter import util package import java dot util. It's a package you can say or library. Util I am importing all it's so why I am importing this? Not need to give any value to n. So I'm initializing here standard class standard yes will be capital standard yes or you can say input equal to new cache. So here I'm going to system out system in system dot in semicolon. So I'm giving here semicolon. So now I'm taking int n equal to input dot for initializing for integer variable we have to give next hyphen int. So this user has to enter some number next int. Okay, for a moment. Here I'm going to shout one statement, control plus space. So enter wait for a while. Start. uh, Okay, from user, I'm asking enter any numbers. So I'm sending this for better, more clarity of you. Being see, so more better understanding here. Yeah, I have forgotten so bad braces, so that's we have to be careful in programming. We don't miss any syntactical error. We cannot do able to do any syntax error. So next in we have the parentheses. So empty parentheses will be given to better understanding. So I'm going to run this program. No error will be happening. The prompt will enter a number. So I want 6 factorial. So what is the 6 factorial? 720. Yeah, that's the right one. You have doubt, you can enter on your calci. So not only 6, I can run any number, any what is it may be. 24, yeah. So I'm combining one more time. I have fixed an error. So I want 7. So 75040. That is the right answer. So this is the output or this is the program. Initially, I'm again explaining this program. You have to import for user import input. You have to import Java package. This is our class name, class A factorial. This is our main method public static void main string ops. This is our arguments. I don't want this line number 5 and remove this. So remove this. So standard I'm importing standard for system dot in input. So next line I'm asking for user and printing statement enter a number and then it will read the number as and equals dot next in for taking input from the user. It stores the number in a C dot next in variable n it will stores the number. So okay, in fact equal to instead fact equal to 1, I equal to 1, I less than equal to fact n will be my number. I can give 4 5 whatever the factorial of number I will give. Let us say 5. So I 1 less than equal to 5 condition will be true. Fact here fact equal to 1 into initially 1 and then again it will be true again. I will be increment I is 2 in this time 2 less than equal to 5 condition is true. Fact has 1 into 2 the result will be 2 and then again condition increment I will be increment 3 less than equal to 5 condition will be 2 2 into 3 the result will be 6 again I will be increment 4 into 6 24 so previous answer is 6 into 4 24 into now what will happen 24 into now 5 so 24 into 5 120 so 24 into 5 120 so I'm again checking this program let's do that or not enter a number I'm giving 5 yeah that's our logic if you have still have any doubts or need any other programming you can ping or comment down in your comment section. So this is for now. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Share to your programming friends and enjoy this day. So bye bye. We will meet on next video on next concept like programming concept in Java. You want to Java developer, you want to become Java developer, follow this series. If you are a college student, then also will help for you in doing lab exercises and lab programs.